Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to another video where today I will be playing Get Crushed by a Speeding Wall. So yeah, let me just check that this is recording. Okay, it's recording and oh my goodness. Okay, so guys, first I just wanted to thank all of you guys for 5 subscribers. That really means a lot to me, and now my goal is to reach 10 subscribers, which I hope I'll be able to do, guys. Right now, I've seen a lot of people not know how to beat this, and just a lot of people who freaking cannot beat this. I don't know why, and I just wanted to prove that this is super easy. Look, I'm gonna beat it first time. Just get these points right here. Unless someone clicks the button, which makes it go super fast. Yeah, I will get ready to start the video. So right now, I'm just waiting for this wall to go. Oh, there we go. Nice face you got there. Nice face. Okay, guys, just sorry for that short little interruption. But okay, it took a little while, so I'm guessing that it will start by now. If I just taunt it. We really can't talk. A remote wall. Someone thinking of even clicking it? No! Oh my god. No, whoop, he's dead. Like it should have been going back here. I don't know if it already did that. But oh well. So yeah, I will just get there very quickly. Oh my god, why does this take so long? People who survived, 515 people, which okay, it doesn't seem so hard to beat that. It'll soon be 516 people. You just wait, guys. And right now I'm just waiting for this thing to do. While I do that, I might just eat a bit. Oh no, because I was gonna eat a bit, but I make some weird noises when I eat. My brother's always telling me to shut up, so I have to. I just go to a different place to eat, which that's just cold. But oh well. Oh, you've got that Speedy shoes? Oh, you got the nice Gucci shoes. Gucci Speedy shoes. Okay. Just gotta wait for them to wait. Oh, and besides, oh my god. Okay, guys, that one didn't count, okay? I was distracted. Well, you'll see this one is actually the real one, okay? The one in which I absolutely beat it first time. Yeah, okay. I will show all of you guys that I can beat it first time. They don't know that I changed that. Like, okay, so just gotta ruin everyone's game. I'm not that tall. Oh no. Stupid one. Okay. No. No, Wall. I've played this many times to know that you go twice. I don't know why. Maybe to just double tap these guys here, which is just double kill. And okay, why can I see the sky? Okay. Yeah, got this balloon here. Which yeah, it does affect my jumps. Oh, what? Who the frick popped my balloon? I will find you one day, and I will torture you. Okay, no. Okay, so guys, if you didn't see in my rap video, by the way, I invented that rap. I made my own shirt, which I am wearing right now in real life and in Roblox. The original Fireball shirt, which was only 5 Robux, which is super good, a super good deal, but now I have no Robux whatsoever. Maybe it's because I wasted almost, oh my god. Maybe it's because I wasted almost all of it in buying sketch stuff. Oh yeah, my friend wanted a shout out, so shout out to my friend Max. His channel is Gamer World XD Marmax, Marmax. Yeah, Gamer World XD is super good. He makes vlogs about how he travels a lot. He's a super cool traveler, guys. And he's one of my best friends. My best friend from Area 51. Him, and Gamer World are both my best friends. And actually, the one from Area 51 is starting a YouTube channel. So I will ask him what his YouTube channel was named, and I'll make sure to mention him right now. I mean, like soon in a further video once I know what he is named. So he will also get a shout out. So yeah, let's go with this. Oh my goodness. Wait guys, they're calling me real quick, so I just gotta pause. Back here from after the call. And so I am just waiting around, just waiting for this wall to come in. I mean, it's getting a lot darker, so I think that it should turn red right about now. I know it's still green, which is a bit annoying. Let me just see what's in the shop. Maybe some. Ooh, I can almost get the hoverboard, which won't help me at all. But at least I will beat this wall first time in style. Oh my god! What is it? Wait, what? Did you guys see that? Oh. This. Okay, so it's right now. A little quick song to entertain you guys. Making my way downtown. It's been a long day. Time to go. Oh, that's not how it goes. That's the TikTok version. Making my way downtown. Walking fast. I am almost in the door. Oh, look, there's some Spanish buddies. If you guys don't know, I actually speak Spanish. But if you guys don't know what I'm putting, I'll traduct it real quick. It says, what's up, dog? It actually only says, what's up? I'm pretty sure this one is Texan. So, sit dog. See, you got some muscles there, dog. You're the Speedy Gonzales that I've been hearing about, eh? Oh! Oh my goodness, I wouldn't wanna, for some reason, bug and die. Oh, they put, yay, we made it! We made it! Yay! We made it! Okay, so I just gotta watch my back in case anyone wants to click the button and sabotage my life. This is supposed to be first time video. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared, I'm so scared! No, please don't turn it. Please don't turn red. Oof! Finally! That could have gone horribly wrong, but you can see the space side continue right there. Can you see what I see? Can you see what I see? A metal thing, a little white metal thing. Oh, I don't know why I got so worried if it still hasn't started. That now I could have. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Oh, you're gonna get killed, okay? Oh no. Oh, I thought that piranha was my head. Piranha, I meant to say. Oh! Oh my goodness, I almost got out. That could have gone horribly wrong. Guys, if you guys didn't know, if you guys didn't see my face from my rap video, I actually don't have blue hair, okay? I mean, like, this is my hairstyle. This is how I brush this is how I calm myself. Like that, like, with this whoop. But my hair isn't actually blue, it's brown. So, just a quick description of myself. I've got, oh, what the heck? What the heck's that? I've got brown hair, I've got brown hair, brown eyes, and clothes. I've got clothes. 'Cause one, What is going on in here, okay? This is such a laggy game. Wouldn't be so surprised if I just die all of a sudden. I could have gone in there by now. 2015. Oh no. 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 Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes, I beat it first time, guys. Just pause it real quick. Guys, just like that, I have freaking beat this thing. Oh, let's do this real quick parkour. And I'm dead. Okay. Bye bye, guys. I hope that. Oh my, I can't believe I just said bye bye. I'm like, what the heck? That's just baby stuff. Goodbye, everybody. I'm so glad I made this video. It was super fun. And I hope to be seeing you next time in my next video. And I hope that you go to my friend's channel and subscribe. And yeah, I beat it first time. I actually knew that I would do it first time because it was so easy. I'm just so sorry, guys, that it was in such a laggy game. I just want to say goodbye and thank you all for watching. Bye. See ya.